Hello friends, welcome to my channel Nice Home Plants. Today we are going to see how you can protect your water cabbage plant from the insects. So here we can see these are the water cabbage plants. They are just decorative plants. We don't consume them. They are decorative plants. They are so beautiful and but we need to protect them from the insects. So for many days, if you do not put any insecticide, or in case we cannot change water, then it might happen that you might see some of the small insects which take place in water. You might see some of the insects which move here and there. So before a few days I saw there were some insects, and another thing, mosquitoes also, they also can come in water. So we need to protect ourselves also and the plant also from being eaten by the insects. So let us see how to protect them. So here I brought this from an agricultural shop. Here you can see the name of this insecticide. It is Shriram Carbo 3G, but you can go to any shop where you can get the seeds or insecticides. There are some special shops which sell the insecticide as well as pesticides for vegetables and plants. From there we can get any kind of insecticide which can protect our plants from insects and mosquitoes. So now I am going to show you how to use this insecticide. So I have opened the packet. I will take only a few granules. It comes in the form of granules. You can see these are the granules that are a kind of insecticide, and we also need to be careful that we should keep this out of reach of children. We should keep it on a very safe place, and the person who is using, only that person should use this insecticide. So please keep away at a safe place. And I would also recommend that you should also wear the hand gloves. I don't have the hand gloves, but yes, next time when I go to the market, I'll surely bring the hand gloves. So I have taken a spoon, and we have to take only 4 to 5 granules. We have to spread all throughout in all the directions of this stuff. So here you can see the water cabbage, and here I need to put some of the granules. So we have to take in a very small quantity. You can see only a few granules I have taken. So here I am putting these granules into water very slowly without disturbing the plants. Here also you can see I am putting the granules. This will protect my water cabbage from being eaten by the insects. It will also protect me from insects and other mosquitoes, because we know that mosquitoes, for them, water bodies are a breeding place wherever they find water. So we need to protect ourselves also. We need some plants also. So in this way we can protect both the water cabbage as well as our own selves. See, I am taking very few granules, 12 to 15 granules are here, and these are very safe to use. You can see that there is no need to spray anything, because if you spray something, then there is a risk of the insecticide being spread on our arms or maybe sometimes in our eyes, which may be very harmful to our health. So this is the safest method that I have found to protect my plants. So here I am putting these granules in water cabbage, and you will see that the effect of this lasts till a week, or sometimes even after 10 days I put these granules. So here I have put the granules all over the water cabbage plant, and now I am very safe. I know that my water cabbage is also very safe. And these granules we can also put in the places where you find that there are some insects or some mosquitoes, or there is some stagnant water in your garden. We can also put in some of the other plants whereby you see that there are some insects coming. So these granules are very effective, but I would recommend you always use a spoon. And after using these granules, after putting these granules, always wash your hands with soap, and clean your hands properly. Keep it away from the reach of children. Keep it at safe place. So I hope you like this video, and I'll come with some more videos. Okay, thank you.